This video shows the route from Santa Fe to Albuquerque, New Mexico, but taking the Turquoise Trail scenic byway instead of the interstate. Although the scenic byway was certainly more pleasant than the interstate, there was nothing spectacular along the way, and so there are no white markers on the map. I attempted to make 3 tourist stops along the way. The first was at Meow Wolf, which is a crazy popular artistic exhibit. And even though I arrived just 15 minutes after it opened, there was already a long line and a 1-hour wait. So I decided to skip that and head to downtown Santa Fe, specifically to the Georgia O'Keeffe Museum. After visiting the museum, I wandered around central Santa Fe for an hour or so. My final stop was at Sandia Peak Aerial Tramway just outside Albuquerque. The tram ascends 4,000 feet in about 15 minutes and offers spectacular views of both the mountains and the city. The 3 blue markers on the map indicate photographs taken at each of my stops.